Okay, today we have got a good decision. In fact, I'm quite happy that it is a 2-1 decision because it does show there is some independence in the judiciary. There are people who can exercise their independent mind. There is no necessity to be unanimous, and the 2-1 decision is a proof of that. Number two, the majority have decided that we have got enough of a case to proceed to the substantive level of the judicial review before another High Court in the same division. So on the 13th, the court has fixed the matter to be case managed by the new judge, and we will endeavour to ask the judge to hear it as quickly as possible, in view of the fact that you must realise by now it's already 1 year that Datuk Sri Najib has not had the benefit of the addendum order. Yeah. Number three, what is important is you must bear in mind the majority judgment said that they cannot ignore the existence of the addendum order for various reasons. One is because we have produced the additional evidence, and this additional evidence from the first one to the second one, the AG has not even put up any affidavit to dispute it. They have not even answered it. The latest affidavit that they put was yesterday, which is way outside of the time allocated to them, because they were supposed to put in the affidavit on the 18th of December, which was an extended time, because they say they want to answer, and that extension was given, but they didn't answer. Yesterday they merely put the media statement of the palace, but the media statement of the palace says nothing except to repeat what Article 42 of the Federal Constitution has already provided. So it doesn't take us anywhere. We are happy that finally Datuk Sri Najib has got a win. Yes, yes. Dia punya reaction 2 thumbs up. From afar, I saw the 2 thumbs up. He was happy and in fact very relieved that finally they recognize some element of injustice that has been placed against him. So he's hoping to see and to start breathing again. Yeah, he has been sleepless in the prison, to tell you the truth, because he was worried whether he's going to get fair trial and fair hearing again at this appeal.
I'm sure there are a lot of big faces in the government administration right now. Do you see this as a constitutional crisis coming up?
You see, I did say just now, in fact we have proven here, somebody is hiding the addendum order quite clearly, because until today we haven't seen the official addendum order that Sultan of Pahang signed and provided to the board and to the secretariat at the Istana, because mind you, 29 was his virtually last day. On the 30th he travelled back to Pahang escorted by Tengku Zafrul. So he addressed the addendum to the former AG, Datuk Teraruddin, who is now Tan Sri Teraruddin. So what happened? What did the former AG do with the addendum? You see, they are the one who said the Agong's order cannot be challenged. You must respect 100%. But that's very ironical, isn't it? We are the one respecting. They are the one not respecting because they hit the addendum. When you hit the addendum, if it can happen to a former Prime Minister, you and I are nothing. They can bully us much more worse than that. This is why you have to set the principle of justice, the principle of law correctly. It doesn't matter who you are.
But some lawyers interpret the federal constitution, that 42.42, that the AGO, whatever it is, has to get advisory from the Pardons Board.
Only advice, yeah.
Yeah, so but it's still up to him to
To decide whatever he likes.
You can advise me all you want, but
Yes.
this is what I want to do.
That is why, you remember, I impressed upon the word presiding over the Pardons Board. He is not the chairman of the Pardon Board. Kalau kita kata chairman of Pardon Board, dia sebahagian daripada Pardon Board. Dia bukan sebahagian Pardon Board. He is almost a superior being, almost floating over the Pardon Board, listen to the Pardon Board and say, okay, give me advice, but I will decide what I want to decide. Which include the relief. Relief mean, umpamanya dia bagi addendum kan, addendum untuk perintah tahanan di rumah. That is a relief. Sesuatu yang melegakan penjaraan. So, that is a relief which he is entitled to give. He doesn't have to listen to the Pardons Board punya advice. Whether they advise him or not, it doesn't matter. Okay? So that's very important. Now, the other one I want to stress is this. This is critical. You imagine this is being hidden from Datuk Seri Najib. What else is being hidden in the other cases? Remember we said there is conspiracy from the US still here.